Showhome Furniture presents
Farmhouse kitchen on a budget.
Showhome Furniture. Is there any way that you can come help me? I am a busy mom. I have 4 little kids. I run my own photography business, and I can't ever take pictures of my kids inside my house because my kitchen is so ugly. Seriously, it is so ugly, and we are renting, and there's just like nothing we can do. Please come and help me make it beautiful.
Okay, folks, we're so excited to be here today. This is our friend, Sarah, and you know, she lives in this awesome house, and it's a really super old kitchen, and we're just gonna go in on a super low budget.
We have $800, and that has to include the paint, the accessories, the dishes, everything. She has like no nice adult dishes, so we decided to splurge and get her some.
We had to splurge.
So come with us, come knock on the door with us, and remember to subscribe to our channel.
And you guys, my husband promised for my birthday and Valentine's Day that if you come help, we will do all the painting. He will do all the painting.
So we've made it this far. I've done 2 coats of paint on everything. I know Shayna wanted white on top and gray on bottom, but as you can tell, I just did gray on top and bottom because I didn't want to clean out the paint sprayer. I don't think she'll notice. It's not that big of a thing. Anyways, it's been fun.
Okay, so Sarah and Zach, we have tons and tons of paint. You guys promised to paint. Now, Sarah, your husband painted your cupboards gray. I'm not happy, but I actually am happy because now I am gonna make him repaint them a beautiful green color just to kind of give more pizzazz to your kitchen. So it's his fault that he has to paint more. Guys, I love it. I think she's gonna love it. She deserves this. And I made sure it got a little bit dark so she will like, everything is like to cover fingerprints. So the farmhouse kitchen project is coming along so great, but the floor is in really bad condition. It's like linoleum, it's been here forever. You know how that is when you rent. So anyone out there who's renting right now, you might want to do this technique. It's very, very simple and it holds up extremely well. So this is like the before, I'm going to show you the after. So here's the after. We hope you guys like it. What we did is we put the stripes going vertical instead of horizontal because we didn't want it to look like a large bowling alley. We also did the stripes nice and thick, the width of a roller, so it was super easy. We used the yellow frogs tape. It makes all the difference to make really crisp lines instead of the green frog tape. Also, another thing is on Instagram or wherever, I saw someone painted their floor and they did small stripes and it looked like a gym floor. So I actually like the wide stripes a lot better. We hope you like it. It's just all coming together. Do you guys remember her countertop, what it looked like before? It's kind of like this interesting 1960s green, yellow color, I don't know. So for the steps for this project, number 1, we first primed it with 123 Bullseye primer. You need a really good primer to stick to the laminate. Number 2, we came in with a latex. We actually did porch paint because she's got 4 kids and we want it to last forever. And then we took in 3 different colors of different shades of gray latex paint, and we took our sea sponge and we sponged everywhere. When it comes to doing the veining, we wanted it to look like as real as possible. And so we took a feather and you just go like this with the feather, but we did it in different directions so it doesn't look like it was, you know, 100% handmade. We're gonna show you a fast video of how we did it. We really like it and we really hope you guys like it. For any of you who are renting out there, it's a really easy DIY project. We probably did the whole thing in like half an hour. For the backsplash, we're gonna be using spackle. You're gonna stick it on, and then we're going to make it look like it's bricks. Backsplash. So the very last step is we have made the indents for the fake bricks. We're just gonna paint the complete back of our fake brick backsplash all white. So it's gonna be nice and white. So from a distance, you're just gonna see the inlays. The other thing I was gonna say is make sure you sand some of the bricks down before you paint.
Okay guys, so we're doing a budget makeover right now.
And we just need a few essentials.
We're missing a couple pieces.
We're gonna head over to our second favorite store besides Showhome Furniture.
But we're not gonna tell mom because then it's at the stores. But anyways, it's gonna be fun. So stay along for the ride.
Guys, I feel like such a bad babysitter, whatever, because this is the second time in one day I've taken her kids to McDonald's. So hopefully your dad will clean up everything so we can do the reveal. I hope I'm not bad for doing this.
Okay guys, we are so excited. We just walked into the house and normally the job falls on me to do all the painting, but luckily,
She's the best painter.
Unfortunately. But luckily the husband and wife did it all and they're absolutely amazing and it looks so good. So we're super excited to come in and decorate this.
We just wanted to show you the finished product of the marble stone countertop.
Yes, they're gorgeous.
And then our backsplash, our subway tile fake foam backsplash, and then our striped floor. Okay, Sonny, you got curtains? Sonny, what is your #1 role in this family?
Yeah, it's curtains, folks.
Okay, you have curtains. Elise, you have to stage all the counters. Twins and Grace, you guys are setting the table. Maria, you're doing the photo booth and the turn site. Let's go! Project, what do we always try to do?
Bring something out that like the client is into. And she's really into photography, so we decided to take her photography and put it on her wall and put really cool frames that match our style.
Actually, her husband built all these frames, so it's super cool.
Yeah.
So like every room in your house should have something that matters. For my teenagers, it would probably be a wall full of pictures of them. Beautiful.
Oh, we love you.
Anyways, we hope you really love it. We had so much fun doing this project. It was amazing.
Yes, and we love you so much.
Everyone come to our big Showhome.
We do. So beautiful.
Okay, and Sarah, you know how like you told me that you don't really have like grown-up dishes, so we got you your own set, and we set the table so you can invite us over for dinner. No, just joking.
So beautiful. Anytime. Anytime.
So you have everything. You got a beautiful plate. We got in these awesome bar stools from our store, just right behind you, because you told me how the kids always,
I know, it's a spot.
how the kids bar stools always like to watch you cook, and on
Wow. Thank you so much. You have literally like made so many changes for us. It is so beautiful. We love it all. And now I can take pictures of my kids in my house and not be really embarrassed about my ugly house.
Well, the fun thing is we started with this living room makeover. Sarah saved like for 2 years to get a new sofa set from us. And so after she had saved all this money for a new sofa set, we decided to redo her living room. So click on the link below and we'll show you the living room makeover. And once we saw your kitchen, we just nervous to do it too.
It was terrible.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next week, we love you guys. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Noelle, what are you doing? Is that the French fry challenge? Let's see you do it. Oh, you guys all won. Don't tell your mom I did this, okay? Make sure I don't have a double chin.
You don't.
Mom is in the middle of a makeover right now, but us being teens, we kind of ditched her with Dad. Anyways, we're off to a party and my dad's taking us. What a nice dad. Anyways, have fun, Mom.
At least it's not a party. Everybody, so I need to find some dishes for our makeover, and since we have a budget, Mom's like, oh no, we just can't do the dishes part. But the dishes part is so pretty because you always do pretty dishes. So I'm coming into our table right now, and I am stealing some of our beautiful dishes, and hopefully my mom will never notice that they're gone.